This video is an unboxing. I just received the package from Daiwa from California. I sent in my reel for repair service. It was stuck. I dunked it in sand and salt water and it was totally stuck. I did not want to open it up. Let the professionals take care of it. So I sent it in less than 2 weeks ago. They already sent it back. Cost $60 to have it serviced. Let's see how they did. They FedExed it back to me, and let's see. Just wanna see how fix it now. All right, see that? So they put some cushioning and bubble wrapped it. Yep, that's what I did the same thing. I bubble wrapped it when I sent it to them. There we go. Let's see. It was totally stuck when I sent it to them. It's only 2 years old. But I did dunk it in the sand and under surf. Let's see. I wasn't sure if they could fix it or not, but I guess they could. Let me just put back their there we go. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. You guys hear that? It's smooth, but they fixed it. But I don't remember when it was brand new how smooth it was when it was brand new. I don't remember. But it's definitely, I didn't want to go buy a new one. Just pay $60 to get it fixed, or else, you know, gotta get a new one, because this is the Daiwa Ballistic MQ 4000 series, 4000D-C. Yeah. Ballistic MQ Light 4000D-C with the mag seal. Yeah, they fixed it. Looks good. I'll give it a quick fast spin. Very good, Daiwa. Thank you.